A delicious, quick, and easy lunch recipe, or for a light dinner, try this chicken and avocado wrap. It's packed with amazing flavors and health benefits, and it's ready in about 15 minutes. Something that the whole family will enjoy, this delicious wrap can be made with leftover or rotisserie chicken too. Let's take a look while Chef Andrew puts this easy recipe together. The recipe calls for chicken breast, cooked and then sliced. We've cooked the chicken in a pan on the stove, but you can easily grill the chicken breast instead. Or you could use leftover chicken from a dinner you've had earlier in the week. Another option is to replace it with rotisserie chicken from the store. Canned chicken could even be used in a pinch. Just remember to drain it first. This recipe is packed with heart-friendly ingredients that are easy to incorporate into an overall healthy eating pattern recommended by the American Heart Association. Healthy sources of protein like lean poultry and low-fat dairy, a variety of vegetables, whole grains, and healthier fats. Feel free to substitute other greens, like spinach, or add extra veggies to boost the nutritional bang for your buck with this meal. Or, for another variation, if you like Asian flavors, try shredded carrots, green onions, and broccoli slaw, and even some mandarin oranges with a peanut sauce. Thanks, Andrew. See how easy that was to prepare? A delicious meal in a matter of minutes. Enjoy!